So once we've checked to make sure we have RUSLE2 installed on our computer and we have downloaded our database for Arkansas to our computer, so now we should be ready to start RUSLE2. Probably the easiest way to find it is go to the Start menu. You'll click on the Start menu. Notice it's not here pinned, but we can do that as we go through this. But click on this All option here, and that brings up all different apps on your computer. We'll scroll down, and this one is actually under USDA applications. So if you scroll down, you'll see USDA applications. Click this little drop down here. You should see the RUSLE2 soil erosion prediction. And if you want to add it to your start menu or your taskbar, you can just right click on that, and I'm going to hit pin to start. So now the next time I go in there, when I click on the start button, it'll show up under there. But we're just going to open it up. So I'll open up that, and we see that RUSLE2 opens. You may have some screens that come up about installing templates and those sort of things. If you can just cancel those, and we will deal with that later. So we've got RUSLE2 installed. Down here in the lower section, it'll give you some information. We are using a template that just basically is the NRCS simple template that allows you to, when you open up a profile or a worksheet or even a plan, it will actually just have the simple information you need, which is probably the easiest one. If you're, there are some other ones that are more complicated, but generally the simple one is fine for our use. If you want to change that, you can actually right click on it and click load. And actually I'm going to load this AR Russell Light 08-2404 and hit open. So now you'll see that that changed my template that's opening there. The other thing that we need to do is notice we're using the base NRCS Moses database. That database is pretty much the generic one that has pretty much nothing you'll need for Arkansas. So we're going to load a different database. And to do that, we're going to go up to Database, and we'll hit Open Alternate. When we do that, it opens up to that folder where we stored our statewide database. And you'll see here, here's our statewide database. We can open that. And notice that changed to AR statewide. Now the problem is that at this point, you can actually run the statewide database, but if you close RUSLE2 and get back into it, it's going to default back to that Moses. Well, we're going to fix that by going to Database and just clicking Startup Database. That lets RUSLE2 know that every time it starts up, it's going to use this AR statewide database. So now we have our database. We're ready to start using RUSLE2.